Hello everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daydran. The Miss Jamaica World Beauty Competition will not take place this year. Last year's winner, Shanique Singh, will instead represent Jamaica at the 71st edition of the Miss World pageant, set to take place at Kashmir International Convention Centre in India on December 8. Now, local co-franchise owner Delia Harris said Singh is yet to represent Jamaica on the international stage, resulting in the decision to put off the competition until next year.
Our Miss Jamaica World Shanique Singh last year, she has still not yet been able to compete at the global level. And we felt that it was important for her to do so. The changes are of no fault of hers. And it is our commitment that the Miss Jamaica World represents us at the global level. And so Shanique will do that in December. And so for us, logically, it didn't make sense to select a queen who would not be participating until next year. And so the decision was made that we would not be doing a Miss Jamaica World final this year.
Harris added that the focus this year will be on celebrating Carol Joan Crawford, the first Jamaican and Caribbean winner.
She's the first woman of color to wear the title, and so we're going to be doing some commemorative activities to recognize that and to recognize the pioneer that she is.
Crawford won the title back in 1963. Now, Jamaica has produced 3 other international title holders. Cindy Breakspear won back in 1976, Lisa Hanna in 1993, and in 2019, Tony and Singh. In other pageant news, the Miss Universe competition is eliminating the age limit for contestants effective 2024. Reigning Miss Universe, Arbany Gabriel, revealed the historic decision during a show at the 2023 New York Fashion Week. The pageant, which commenced back in 1952, has been restricted to women in the age group 18 to 28 years. The announcement follows a decision made in August in 2022 to allow married women and mothers to compete. In responding to the news on X, formerly Twitter, Miss Universe 2010 runner-up Yandy Phillips playfully said, quote, "What? Hold up now. Let me have this baby and circle back." You go, girl. Now, Canadian rapper Tory Lanez will continue to serve his 10-year prison sentence after a motion for bail was denied today. Lanez, whose real name is Daystar Peterson, appealed his conviction for shooting fellow rapper Megan Thee Stallion in the feet back in 2020. His lawyers requested that Judge David Hariford halt his prison sentence while he awaits a decision in the appeal case. The motion was filed in August, asking for Lanez to be released inside Los Angeles to continue working in order to provide for his wife and son. Judge Hereford denied the request, citing the rapper as a violent felon who has a history of violating court orders. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Thank you for watching.